Good morning, guys. I just woke up Saturday, 5 a.m. Feeling kind of tired, want to go back to bed, but if I want to reach my goals, I got to stay disciplined, got to get up early, and I got to put in the work. So I'm going to get up, I'm going to stay up, and I'm going to get uploading these merch designs. So let's go. Okay, so it's 5:44 a.m. I'm out of the shower. I got my coffee. I'm ready to start working. And just one thing that I just want to talk about real quick is I kind of had a slow day yesterday on both Etsy. You can see here on Printful, I only had one order to fulfill. And on merch, it was actually a pretty slow day too. I only had 17 sales, only doing $30 in royalties. And just one thing that I just want to talk about real quick is that for me, it's important not to focus on the days, but more on the months. Because if I get caught up in the days that I had a slow day, I can get kind of down on myself. But if I look at the month, I'm actually doing pretty good. So right here, we're going to see, I can't see exactly what it is, but it looks like it is. I'm at $897 for the month, and we're just a little bit over halfway. And if I go back to Etsy, my stats, I'm at 1,700, which is actually up 11% from last year. So just one little tip, don't get caught up in the days. If you had a slow day, past couple slow days, try not to focus on the days and just try and focus on the months. It will help you with your mental state just a little bit better. And then one other thing I want to talk about, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but on some of my newer designs, the title is not showing on the Amazon search page or sales page, and someone actually just messaged me about this on Instagram. I don't know why this is happening. I don't know if it's happening to anybody else, but I actually just posted a question about it in this Facebook group. I'm not really on Facebook anymore. I used to be on it a lot, but I kept getting in arguments with people. So I decided to give it a break. But when I do have a question, this is the Facebook group that I like to use. Merch Success 2.0 has a lot of successful merch by Amazon sellers. And so this is the question that I put up right here. And when I get some info, I will relay it back to you guys. Here I am checking my YouTube stats, and I just want to thank you guys for watching the channel because things are starting to pick up as of late. Pretty much everything is up, views are up, watch time is up, subscribers, ever since I had that interview with Philip, I got a bunch of subscribers, and even revenue is trending upwards as well. So thanks so much for being part of the community. Okay, so I just got done uploading about 10 designs. You can see I have 85 uploaded for today. That is going to put me at a total of 5,626 live designs. And one thing that I noticed is that if I go to one of my old videos, one of my goal videos that I put out right here, you can see the title, January Goals Recap. I put this out on February 1st. And we're going to see that on February 1st, I had 5,101 designs. And so if I just go back to Google right here and I do the math, we're going to see that 5,626 designs minus 5,101 designs. I've been able to upload 525 designs this month, and I believe we're only the 17th. So I'm thinking, can I get up to 1,000 designs uploaded in 1 month? I guess we will just have to wait and see, but I think that's pretty cool. Just makes me feel good that I've been putting in the work and gives me some good expectations for good things to come this year. All right, so I'm about to head down to McDonald's and do some more uploading. Just want to do a quick update on my weight loss. I was weighing 202 pounds at the beginning of this year, and thanks to intermittent fasting, I'm actually down 14 pounds. I used to have kind of a gut, but I don't have the gut anymore. I actually got my six-pack back, stopped doing sugar, stopped doing processed food. So if you're trying to lose weight, definitely check out intermittent fasting. I've lost 14 pounds in 6 weeks. All right, so I just showed up to the boardwalk, about to go into McDonald's. I just want to show you how the view is looking here because it has been raining for about a week. And today is the first day where there's no rain, and it's going to be a beautiful day. It's going to be very blue and green. I actually have plans to take my family to the Botanical Garden, so stay posted for that. Just saw some whales a couple seconds ago. Let's see if they pop up again. But yeah, check out how nice this is. Okay, so I just got done finishing uploading. I did about 25 designs. That's probably all the uploading that I'm going to do for today. So now I'm just going to wait for the sales to come in. But now it's time to get breakfast, and I'm going to try this new place out that I saw on TikTok. It looks like it's a very traditional Mexican place. So let's go ahead and check it out. So this is the restaurant right here. It is called menus place. You have to take an elevator to go to the top floor there. And here you can see the table that I got and the view. The views were actually very nice. I think that was actually probably the best part about the restaurant. And then here you can see what inside the restaurant looks like. It's basically just very quaint, rooftop, basic setting. I had to start off with a coffee with sugar and milk, and then I also had to get a chocolate croissant. To be honest, I was a little disappointed with the chocolate croissant, usually a little better than that, but I still had to eat it because I love them. And then this is the food that I got. I got the most traditional Mexican plate they had on the dish, so it came with a quesadilla with handmade tortillas, avocado. Of course, I got my chilaquiles. I wish they were green with chicken and egg, but they were still good. That right there is panela cheese, beans, and I got the flank steak, which is basically, or it's called an arrachera. In Mexico, it's very tender. I believe is the flank steak in the United States. But overall, this was very good. I would rate this probably 9. Would have been a 10 if I could get the green chilaquiles. But for the most part, very happy. And then the check came and it was 345 pesos. I left a 20% tip. But overall, I was very satisfied with this place. I would give it a 9 out of 10. Hey Max, where are we going today?
¡De Botanical! ¿Qué está súper claro, Mike?
Okay, so here we are on our way to the Botanical Gardens, and I just wanted to show you Los Arcos right here. So these are two kind of like islands, and if you look right there, you're gonna see it's kind of like an arch, and you can swim through both of those. It's good for snorkeling. But check out the view, color of the water, and we're going all the way down over there. But it's just a beautiful day, and I wanted to show you guys Los Arcos. It's very famous for snorkeling. Look how nice the water is. Oh, there goes a boat going through the Arco. See that? ¿Viste el barco, Maddox?
Sí.
You see the boat? Wow. Beautiful. Any whales? Alright, so we just showed up to the Botanical Garden, and this is the entrance right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the map. It's actually pretty big. There's a river down there, but we're gonna get something to eat now. Wow, look how nice it is, Maddox. Look, there's the Mexican flag. Right up there is the restaurant. We got some birds. I don't know what they are. Maybe some geese or turkey or something. But they're getting some shade, Max. Be nice to the birdies, okay? ¿Qué son esos?
Ay, qué lindo. Son como gallinas coquenas.
So this is one of the first things that you see when you arrive to the Botanical Gardens, is this nice pond that they have, or like a fountain with these koi fish. It's one of Max's favorite parts of the Botanical Gardens because you could buy these little fish food packets and feed them, which I'll show you later. You can see how nice it is and the fish. And then you get walking up towards the restaurant. You have to go through this nice area right here where it's basically just plants, some artifacts, antiques, things like that. But you can just get the sense that it's just very unique, this place, very nice, obviously very colorful, lots of cool plants, great place to just hang out. But here we are at the restaurant. We actually got a really nice table right on the balcony with this nice view of the river at the bottom. And you can see the nice view of the jungle and the mountains. Nice blue sunny day. They gave us this little complimentary drink. It's basically Jamaica is what they call it, but I believe in English it's called hibiscus. It's a flower that you mix with water, and it's actually very good. It's actually really good for you as well, but I found it very refreshing. Usually I don't like it. I usually have to put sugar in it because it's kind of bitter, but for some reason today it was very refreshing and I liked it a lot. There was this little bird feeder right in front of our table, so we got all these birds coming up. It's too bad you can't really see the colors on this one because it was this beautiful black and yellow. There's even hummingbirds too, but some nice articrafts, rocks. They have like bugs, scorpions, things like that. This is when I was taking Max to the bathroom. Some of the things that they have, the articrafts that they have. This is the gift shop. So they got a really nice gift shop where you can buy all this cool stuff. Didn't really buy anything, but here is the kitchen. So they got all the fresh vegetables, fruits. This is the stairway. You can buy like a tile and put your name and a message on the stairs going back up to the restaurant, which I thought was kind of cool. This is pepino, which is cucumber with chili powder. Maddox likes it a lot. It's also very refreshing because they serve it very cold. There's some nice flowers on the table that are obviously from the garden, which I will show you in a little bit. Here are some of the drinks. So that's the orange juice. That's another hibiscus drink. And they give you this, I believe it's sugar cane. But then the food came. I got this really good chicken quesadilla with mushrooms, a pizza for Maddox. Denise got a nice tortilla soup, and then also some guacamole. Food was actually really good. A little expensive, but you're kind of out in the boonies, so don't really have a choice but to pay the high price. But yeah, overall food was really good. I was actually pretty surprised because last time it wasn't as good. But then we got some dessert, coffee, flan. Denise also got a coffee, and Max got some chocolate milk because it was actually kind of a little cold. You can see they're all wearing sweaters. I forgot mine. I'll make sure to bring it next time. This is inside of the restaurant. You can see it's very quaint. There's actually a guy on a violin playing, which was very nice. And then here's the view from the other side of the restaurant, the other balcony. You can see the pond or the fountain. And then also all of the botanical gardens. That is where we went exploring, which you will see after this clip right here, I believe. Oh, actually, no. Now the bill came. You can see it was pretty expensive, $91 or 1,371 pesos. I left a 200 peso tip, which is like maybe 15 bucks.
Despacito, despacito porque se asustan. Déjalas que se humedezcan. Más allá lejitos. Ándale, sí, mira, ya las vieron. Para allá, porque no se quieren acercar. ¡Wow, Mari!
Nice, échale más.
Eso, dale. Dale comidita. Niño.
¿Qué pasó?
Tu hijo que está medio loquito. ¿Verdad, Marito?
Oh, Max, what's this? Una casa. What is it? Oh, see, look at that thing.
Qué linda que es. That's so cool. It's a beautiful house. Ay. Una vuelta de auto, mami.
All right, so it is 10 p.m. and I'm about to go to bed. So I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and basically do it all again. Just a quick little sales update, how I am at. So 33 sales, only $36 in royalties. I did have 4 returns, so that kind of hurt, but that's where I'm at. Let's go ahead and just do a quick habit tracker check. So today, to be honest, wasn't my best day, but I did wake up at 5. So let me see, let's check that off. Now, I did not hit the gym. I did fast though. Let's see, sugar, yeah, I had sugar. I also had processed foods. I did stay sober though, so that's a good one. I'm gonna pray right now, so we'll check that off. But I did not meditate. I did not make my bed. I didn't have lemon water either, just because I didn't have any lemons. So to be honest, not my best day, but actually I had a pretty good day. You can see right here, 4, 5, 6, 7. I had 4 days in a row where I actually did all of the habits on the list. So remember, it's not about the days, it's more about the month. At least in my opinion, we can see the month is actually looking pretty good for the most part. It's never going to be perfect, but this habit tracker is helping me out so much. I would highly recommend it if anybody wants to get serious about their goals and habits. I think I'm actually going to make another one for next month for like work, and I'll explain that in the next goals video. But that is going to be it for today's vlog. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you enjoyed seeing all those videos of the botanical gardens. We had a great time. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Adios.